In this lecture, we are going to learn about the restricted numeric variable type. Now, restricted numeric variable type is a variable type that is used when you are expecting only a positive value for some variable and then you don't expect to group the digits. For example, if you select a numeric variable type, you can always group your digits. For example, for writing 1000, you can write 1,000,000. But if for some reason if you don't like grouping of the digits, you can go for the restricted numeric variable type. If you read the information bar here, it says the numeric type honors the digit grouping setting, while the restricted numeric never uses the digit grouping. So the message is clear that if you want to have non-grouping or no grouping for the numbers that you are using, so in that case better you should go for the restricted numeric variable type. In our case, in our hard work versus performance study, let's take an example where we also want to see the effect of age on the performance. And we know that age is a variable that can take only a positive value. It cannot be negative. And the maximum age that we can have a subject for this study is 99 years. So we are expecting maximum 2 digits. You can expect 3 digits as well, but that will take the number till 999, that is 999, and that is an unlikely age. So maximum we are expecting 2 digits or say 100 years. So let's define it and press OK. So let's give this variable a name and call it age. And it has been defined as a restricted numeric. By default, the width of variable is 8, but I said that for each variable, the maximum digit I'm expecting is 2. So you can restrict it up to say just 2 variable. Now the variable has been created. Let's define it and go to your data view. Now suppose the age of first subject is 23 years. So you can write 23. But we did not see any like say leading zeros here. If you want to see the leading zeros, just increase the width and make it 3. So in that case, the maximum digit we are expecting is up to 3, and the age of first subject is 23. So we are expecting one leading zero, that is 023 as an entry. So you can see once we increase the width, we found the 023. If you increase the width more, you will find more leading zeros. For example, the width is now 5. So we got 3 leading zeros. So that's very good option in case you are giving the data entry task to someone else who is doing data entry for you. And if you don't want him to make any mistake or don't want to accommodate his mistake, so what you can do, you can define certain variables as a restricted numeric where you are expecting only a positive integer value up to certain digits only.